Hey guys, what's going on? It's Kyle with HOGWORKZ. We are here at our Michigan-based fulfillment center and are extremely excited to announce the completion of our in-house, state-of-the-art paint facility right here in the Motor City. As you know, HOGWORKZ offers a full line of OEM color match parts, including saddlebags, tour packs, fenders, inner fairings, and more for a variety of Harley Davidson motorcycles. Today we're going to give you an inside look on just what goes down when it comes to producing OEM quality color match bodywork and exactly how we guarantee a factory color match. Let's go ahead and jump on in there. HOGWORKZ customers deserve the best. We have spared no expense and opted with one of the industry's leading all-in-one paint environments from Global Finishing Solutions. This paint booth gives us a clean and dust-free environment when laying down the 100 plus and counting OEM colors we currently offer. HOGWORKZ team of professional painters combined with our mix room provide us the ability to dial in our color matches using top-of-the-line PPG and factory Harley Davidson paint, guaranteeing a perfect OEM color match every time. Before any of our parts enter the booth, they must be prepped. Our team goes through an intense prep process using industry-leading materials and tools in order to ensure all parts are clean, free of debris, and ready for paint. Before anything leaves our facility, a final inspection is performed on all HOGWORKZ color match parts. This includes removing any imperfections in the clear coat and polishing the final product before it heads out the door, guaranteeing exceptional quality that HOGWORKZ is known for. Once again, thanks for stopping by and checking out our Michigan-based paint facility. We are consistently adding new colors and products to our lineup, so be sure to check out our website for the latest color options.